Hello viewers, we'll be going over gold futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We remain in positive MACD, seeing sideways action there, and we're off of overbought levels with the RSI. As we extend out to the 4 hour chart, we still remain in positive MACD and slightly off of overbought levels with the RSI. We're currently resting right above the 50 moving average, using that as our support at the price of $1,885. As we extend out to the daily chart, we have now approached to positive MACD and we're nearing overbought levels with the RSI. As for resistance, that'll be where we encountered the highs back in November 9th at around a price of $1,963. And as for support, if we do reverse down lower, that'll be where we have the 9-day moving average, this blue line at the price of $1,883, which acted as support in the past and it's indicated back in December 23rd all the way to December 30th. And if we were to test that support, that price movement to the downside is roughly around, say, 73 basis points, and to test resistance, that is around 3.5% to the upside. As for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading GLD, and my position size is less than 1% of my portfolio, and my long entry is at $173.99, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $179.98, and my stop loss is at $171.64. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $181.17. My sell target for it is $176.40, and my stop loss is at $183.62. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 67% chance for it to climb between 0 to 2%. As for the downside, we have a 17% chance to fall between 0 to negative 2%. And for the extreme case to the downside, a 17% chance to fall between negative 2% to negative 4%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.